These are the 10 red flags you need to know about on your resume. And I've reviewed thousands of resumes, so I'm going to tell you the biggest ones. Number one, hands down, lack of numbers. Yep, you can't just write a laundry list of things that you've done, things you've been responsible for, or what you helped or assisted with. We need to see the numbers and the impact in everything that you've done. Okay. Number two, irrelevant terms. Every field has them, every industry has them. They have acronyms and sayings that only make a difference for this company or this business. And if you are making a pivot, take those words off of your resume. Don't have anything on your resume that the person reading it is not going to understand. Next one, they need to be able to reach you, right? They need to be able to contact you. So please, I'm seeing resumes that don't have phone numbers and don't have email addresses on them. And while we're at it, make sure that your email is a clean professional one, your name at gmail.com. Next one, paragraphs instead of bullet points. We all know this. Recruiters are looking at your resume for about 6 seconds. A long paragraph, nobody's reading that. Make it clear, easy to read bullet points, and looping back to number one, make sure you have those numbers. Next thing is trying to have a resume that is a jack of all trades. It has multiple job titles up on top of it. It is obvious when you have a resume that has so much information on it, often in conflict with each other, that this resume was not targeted to the position and it looks like you have no clear direction and aren't truly interested in this exact position. So don't have multiple titles there. References. You should not have your references on your resume, and you should not have the saying references available upon request. This is outdated, and everybody knows clearly that if they wanted references, they would reach out to you and you would provide the references. No photos, no picture of you, no graphics, no graphs. Definitely none of those graphs on the bottom that you're ranking your abilities to use different software. Why would you do that? And especially if you're not even ranking yourself top, right? Why would you say that you're only a 3 out of 5 in Microsoft Excel? No graphs, no pictures, no photos. Next, confusing layouts. It needs to be easy to read. It has to flow nicely. The best method is a reverse chronological resume where the most recent job experience is up on top and then it goes backwards. Next, dates of education. If you have graduated more than 5 years ago, take off the dates that you graduated. Keep the education, keep the degree, keep the university, but take off the dates. And for goodness sakes, if the date that you graduated started with a 19, there should be no 19s on your resume. Okay. And the last thing is old jobs, right? Going back to the dates of the resumes, we want to go back 10 to 15 years on our resume. So we certainly don't want to have jobs there that are 20, 25, 30 years old. It makes us look old. And honestly, the work that we did is irrelevant. It doesn't have relevance in today's job market, right? In the world of technology, in the world of everything that's online. So we don't want to have outdated information. And these are the 10 things that you need to do in 2026 to improve your resume. If you'd like help with that, let's do it together. My name is Cindy. I empower career changers, transitioning teachers, and those returning to the workforce to find amazing jobs that match their current why. Let's schedule a free 45-minute discovery call to talk to you about how I can help make this happen for you. I hope you have a super productive week. Always remember your warrior. Catch you next week. Have a good one. Bye bye.